Hey riders, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another sit down video. Welcome to another hair video. Today we are featuring curls, and you guys know on this channel we love curls. If I keep working with the company, guys, you best believe that I'm obsessed and I love their hair. So thank you so much to Curls for sponsoring this video. And yeah, I'm pretty much excited to show you guys how I laid this wig. Curls for the girls, guys. Curls for the girls. So this is a Zoe lace front from Curls. It's Burmese hair. It's a Burmese curly wig. So basically it is 20-inch long. It looks longer than 20-inch though. It's 20-inch long. The curls are very soft, guys. Oh my word, I'm obsessed with the curls. Like, they are very soft and it detangles very easily. So I really am pretty much obsessed with this hair. It is a 3B 3C curl as well. So yeah, but without any further ado, let me not waste your time. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and let me know what you guys think of this video. So let's get right to the tutorial.
It is hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car where you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down.
Show me how you jigger.
Why you tryna find the pieces when you rip it off? Why I like it when you sit you when you take it off? And you know that I'm bad. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Show ya. Show me the car when you turn me on. The way you tell me you want me down. Done it, I done this before you falling. I won't catch you, don't know I'm stalling. Cause you love to have them all crying. Calling me sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give them this and the more I go. Cause you a bad man, she don't love money. She break grass real fast like conman. Wanna swim down to the deep end. Wanna know all my secrets, honestly. Can you keep it real? Cause honestly, I can tell that you're real fond of me. Baby, don't be shy, I can see it in your eyes. I've been running around. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it how you taking all my time. Left, right, can you take it all night? Take it, baby, I ain't scared to take it. Oh, and maybe when I take it, oh, I feel it coming down too strong. Cause I want ya, and it's hard to resist cause I need ya. And it's hard, baby, yeah, cause I believe ya. Hold me tight, holding on tonight. Golden cuppa, get to you clean and proper. Way I move, I know we can love her. You gon' have me on your mind forever. Ever, thanks, baby. Turn it down like a sweet and ready. Go slow, keep it nice and steady. Know that you've been keeping patience. Too bad I've been sticking out your mind. I know you like it how I rock it from behind. I know you stand it high.
Okay guys, so there you have it. The wig is laid. it is so late. It is so late, guys. I am obsessed with this hair. You know, like when you get new hair and you just feel like, woo. It's too much. Angivumi. Guys, I'm obsessed with this wig. You know, Curls always delivers. Curls always comes through for the girls. Curls for the girls, guys. I'm sorry, I can't stop obsessing on how I laid this wig. I can't stop obsessing how gorgeous this wig is. So this is what the hair looks like if you try and, like, you know, comb it out. But also you guys saw in the beginning of the video when the hair was wigged. That's how it looks when it's wigged. The curls are very tight, and I love the fact that it also you know, I can detangle it very, very easily. Yo guys, this hair is so soft. I really am impressed. And with curls as well, this is the longest length that I've ever received from them. So I think I'm gonna enjoy it. I mean, it's summer, you know, curls are in. Yeah, and with that nice sundress, you know. So yeah, guys, I really am impressed. Thank you so much to Curls. And guys, don't forget, I do have a coupon on the description box, so you guys must check it out so that you can save some coins. You know, save some coins, get this hair, look good for summer, look good for your mans, or look good when you're going out with the girls, or just look good for yourself, girl. Okay, don't forget, this is the Zoe lace front wig. It's a 13 by 6. It is Burmese curls, and it's a 3C3B curl type. Guys, anyway, I quickly went and put on my hoop earrings off camera because you can't go with curls without hoop earrings, and you guys know me, I love hoop earrings. Okay, so what I'm gonna try to do is I'm just going to make it a bit wet here in the front again, because it's too fluffed out. So I'm just gonna, hey boy, the spray bottle, just going to make it just a little bit wet. Guys, I'm just obsessed with the way this hair curls up so easily. Like, wow. And the curls are so gorgeous. The curls are so gorgeous. And the nice thing also about curls is that it's curly from the root. Like, it's curly from the root, and which is also amazing, and which also sets this company apart from the rest, because they just have such dope hair. So yeah, guys, there you go. This is the final look. I must say, I am very impressed. Wow, I am very impressed. I should know, every time I work with the same company, it just means that I love and I'm obsessed with their hair, and I'm obsessed with Curls hair. So guys, what you need to do is get on the description box, okay, because there is a special coupon that I have just for you. Get on the website and purchase this hair. You know, this hair is amazing for summer. It is summer right now. It's amazing for summer, and very basically, Mina, I'm just a person who loves curls during the summertime. And yeah, yes guys, yes. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. Thank you so much once again for your amazing support. You guys are my amazing family. We are growing. Road to 5,000 followers. I do have a giveaway lined up for one of my lucky subscribers, because you guys have just been down with me since day one, and I truly appreciate you guys. So yeah, guys, anyway, guys, let me know what you guys think of this hair once again. Curls, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And thank you so much for this amazing, beautiful hair. So I will see you guys on my next video. Let me know what you guys think, okay? Rate my hair. Let me know what you guys think and how I laid this wig, honey, okay? So anyway, guys, yeah, I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, okay? Mwah.
Cause you love to have him all crying. Gonna be sweet, telling me you need me. But I'm from a city that's high school. I give him this anymore I go. Cause you a bad man.